welcome to episode 30.
30 already? We've been in Hawaii for 30 weeks.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We had a good spring break. We're back going to school now, back to reality, sort of. I mean, we're still in Hawaii. Today's Friday, and we're feeling kind of spontaneous this afternoon. And we booked an Airbnb up on the North Shore in Waialua. And so we're heading up there now to go spend the night up there. We'll show you our Airbnb. It's supposed to be really cool. We got like a whole private beach house right on the beach.
And we'll spend all day tomorrow up on the North Shore.
Yeah, we'll go check out some beaches, and it should be a nice, fun, and relaxing weekend.
Bye.
While I'm waiting for Bree to put her jacket on, I've never felt the air like this here before. I literally can't feel the air. Like it's not hot and it's not cold. It's like room temperature. Like there's no wind. It feels like we're inside almost. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really, really cool. All right, we're gonna go eat at Bonsai Sushi, this famous sushi place up on the North Shore. Super good. Okay, let's go eat.
Let's go eat. I did it too early. Damn it. Hey guys, welcome to my crib.
This is our Airbnb up on the North Shore.
The kitchen, fine dining, the living area, the dining room. Come this way. The bedroom. The master bedroom.
Where the magic happens.
Okay. And the bathroom.
Whoa. This is a nice little beach house. The beach is like a block away. And the guy who owns this house he's like a retired surfing photographer. So that's pretty cool. But we're gonna try and make it to the beach real quick and go catch the sunset. Hot.
Hey guys, good morning. We left the Airbnb and now we're at Waimea Bay.
So we left Waimea Bay. There was some big waves there. Probably a little too big for us Haoles. We stopped by Foodland, got some snacks, got some poke. Now we're gonna go to Keiki Beach, and it's just a gorgeous day today. It's so nice. How nice is it?
Nice.
We had a good time at Keiki Beach. Unfortunately, well, depending on how you look at it, the waves were massive again, so we didn't get in and swim because we're not trying to die today. But it's so much fun to watch those guys surf because they're all just sick at it. This was a fun little North Shore weekend adventure. I think we're probably gonna do it again because our Airbnb was actually really cheap and it's only like a 45-minute drive up here, so I mean, why not? So now we're heading back down to Waikiki and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Look at those baby cheeks. We saw whales.
We also forgot to tell you we saw some whales. It was a mama and her baby. So cool. I'm gonna miss Hawaii.
This ain't my finest hour. Might see my flaws today. My words are out of order. Maybe my drinks are blame. Emptying on my pockets till I don't feel a thing. This ain't my finest hour. This ain't my finest hour.
We hiked up to Sacred Falls today. Kevin came with, and over here we got, say what's up. We got Nick, Kate, Eric, and where's Cole right there? But this is Sacred Falls right here. So these falls are kind of forbidden here in Hawaii. It's a really special and sacred place. That's why it's called Sacred Falls. Like 20 years ago, 8 people died in here from a big landslide. So that's why it's so sacred. This is one of the most beautiful hikes that we've done so far. I really haven't vlogged a whole lot on this hike just because I'd rather focus on the beauty of this hike. It's so beautiful in here. Alright, today Kevin and I are going to try surfing. We're in Waikiki. Kevin's never surfed. I've surfed once and I've wake surfed, but I don't think that really counts. But it should be fun. We'll try it out. Hopefully get some cool video. Hopefully we can shred a little bit.
Shadows we use to fight darkness, but it's the light that we need to harness. Make the world glow with reflection. They bring guns and bullets and some more. To the youth get shot, blood drop on the floor. To them can't understand what you're fighting for no more. I got to open up the door to a new wave. It's a new day. So leave your boxes of bullets and chains on the floor. It's a new wave. It's a new day. Rise up to the light. The sound is so pure. It's a new wave. It's a new day. In these trying times, what you fighting for? It's a new wave. It's a new day. Keep your head up high till we end this war.
Alright, today Kevin and I are up on the North Shore because we're going shark diving. I'm a little nervous.
Got butterflies.
I mean, who wouldn't be? Getting in the water with sharks, no cage, no nothing. It's just us and the sharks. It's gonna be a little scary probably, but it should be a lot of fun. Alright, hopefully we don't get bitten.
To feel that you want it. Oh, let me feel what you are.